In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D animation using Nano Banana. We'll start by generating a high-quality 3D image and then turn it into a short video, all inside Google Gemini using the Nano Banana tools. Keep your browser open and follow along. Begin by opening Google Gemini. Once you're in, look for the Tools section. This is where Gemini groups creative features, including Nano Banana. Choose Create Image. This option is part of the Nano Banana 2 toolset, and it's designed to produce detailed visuals that work great as the foundation for animation. Before you prompt, switch the mode from fast to thinking. Thinking prioritizes quality and coherence, which is especially helpful for 3D structure, shading, and depth. It may take a bit longer, but the results are worth it. Now type your prompt to first create a 3D image. Be clear and specific about the subject, style, lighting, and camera angle. For example, mention materials like glossy plastic or brushed metal, lighting such as studio soft light, and a camera view like 3/4 perspective. When your prompt looks good, click Generate and let it process. When the result appears, click Download to save it locally. Keep this file handy, you'll use it in the video step next. Start a new chat to keep the next task separate and clean. Go back into Tools and select Create Video. This is the Nano Banana video feature. If you don't see it, you may need to upgrade your plan to access it. Inside the video tool, change the mode from Fast to Pro. Pro is geared toward higher fidelity motion and smoother frames, which helps preserve the fine details from your 3D image. Click the plus icon to add media, then choose Upload Files and select the image you just downloaded. With the image attached, type your prompt for motion and timing. Keep it concise and directional. Describe how the camera should move, the duration, and any subtle actions you want, like a gentle turntable rotation, slow dolly in, or soft breathing effect. If you care about pacing, include a target length so the system can match your intent. Click Generate. The system will process the upload, interpret your motion prompt, and create the animation. Give it a moment. Longer or more detailed requests can take extra time. When it's done, review the preview and check for smooth motion, consistent lighting, and preserved texture detail. If anything feels off, refine your prompt wording, especially camera paths and speed, and run it again with the same steps. That's it. You've created a 3D animation using Nano Banana inside Google Gemini, starting from a strong 3D image and elevating it into motion.